This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and navigating to Apps or Apps and Notifications. This puts you where Android manages each package. Once there, search or scroll to the app you want to unforce stop. Tap the app to open its app info page so you can see current status and permissions. You need this detail because unforcing a stop requires modifying services and permissions back to active. Do this now so you have direct access to the controls you'll use next. You now re-enable background activity and related options to allow the app to run again. If the app shows force stop as active, note that services are halted, so make sure you toggle background activity or remove battery optimization for that app. Next, re-enable any denied permissions that block startup, and if the app info offers, tap Restart or Start to resume services. Doing this restores the app's ability to run processes and receive events without reinstalling. You finish by launching the app and verifying core features work and that notifications resume. If services still appear stopped, reboot the device to force Android to reinitialize background processes and system bindings. Make sure to check app permissions again after restarting. Troubleshooting tip: if the app misbehaves after these steps, clear the app cache or, as a last resort, uninstall and reinstall to reset its state. This solves corrupted data issues without affecting other apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.